Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the right headlight fuse is located, you may need to check up to 3 different fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays with a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, the right headlight fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Fusion here. Now you guys have multiple fuse boxes and some of them are very hidden. We have a special video about fuse box location on our YouTube channel, check it out. Go ahead and open the hood first. Here on the driver's side you see that cover that looks like a T. Open it, underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So guys, what we have here, we need to check 2 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box, check one more. You see that row of fuses here, go ahead and check fuse number 18 and fuse number, that's 18, 19, 20. So 18 and 20. Then you need to come to the driver's side, and under the dash you see that lower trim here guys, it extends to the other side of the steering wheel. It attaches with 4 clips, one here, one there underneath, and 2 like that on the other side. Pull from top to bottom, it opens. Deep inside the dash on the left side you have the main interior fuse box that will look like this one. Now fuse numbers will be printed next to the fuses. These double fuses, keep some spare ones because guys, one time we were stuck in the middle of nowhere, we couldn't find a replacement and we were stuck guys. So the fuse that you need to check is fuse number 20 right here. That's actually 19 and 20 double fuse, but that portion here is for the headlight. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.